So this is a free script, and it will save and restore temporary perspective views. For example, if I want to set more than one angle for working purposes, for example, if I want to work on the fence or something, then I use the F11, which I assigned it. This is a very small UI, and we have 5 presets. I don't think we need more than that. So for example, if I want to keep in memory this angle, so I press this save 1. And if I want to go and save this view, I'll save 2. And for example, this one, I'll save 3. So if I press the restore buttons, it will lead me back to my viewing angles. For example, if I save this one and I restore this one, press the restore 2, and it'll save this. So this script does not save the presets in the scene memory. It gets erased once we close the scene. And I will upload this script to my website. You'll have to check the website in my YouTube account, Light&Shadow, and I will just assign a keyboard shortcut, place the file under the 3ds Max scripts folder, and then in the startup folder, and it will automatically load. We are going to use the hotkey editor, and then I will show you where it, for example, F11, and it will be under the OneManSoft category. It's called View Manager 1.1. So for example, let's search a view or manager. Here it is, and then assign a button, for example, if you wish, but I will not do it. I hope you like it, and just use it.